Did you know that you can cook sirloin steak well done in a pan without being that dry? And I'm gonna tell you exactly how. Now for this recipe we are using sirloin steak, but exactly the same principles, you can apply them for a ribeye steak or for a fillet. And we're going first with oil, whichever you prefer, or you can use beef fat if you wish, salt, a good pinch on each side, freshly ground black pepper, and I like to go quite heavy on this because the steak loves black pepper and it works quite well, the combination. Now we're going into frying and you want to set the pan on high heat, and when the pan is hot enough, we're going in with the steak. Now depending on how thick your steak is, in this situation it's not that thick, so about 3 minutes on each side is what we begin with, and after that I'm going to show you the best method of getting it nice and moist. Now depending if you like it or not, I would suggest caramelizing some of the fat on the side of the steak. Now in order to give this steak some extra flavor but also keeping it nice and moist, we're gonna go in with about 40 grams of butter, a good sprig of thyme and a good sprig of rosemary, and also 2 cloves of crushed garlic. Now get a spoon and we're gonna baste the steak, and one of the best methods to check if your steak is cooked properly is to use a probe thermometer, and I highly recommend getting one. If you don't have one, check the affiliate links down below. It's not going to cost you anything extra, but at least you're going to cook your steak right every single time. Right, so the steak temperature is 71 degrees Celsius, so we're going to remove it from the heat. So this is your well done steak right here. I really hope that you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple recipes like this.